Alright, here we've got another rifle I think is really cool. First thing you're going to notice is that it says K98 there instead of Mod 98. That's because this is a K98a, the precursor to the World War II K98k model. These were used in World War I. First started off as a kind of a rear line issue, you know, things like artillery and such. Later in the war they became so popular that they were issued to frontline infantry, but they were basically the kind of, you know, the carbine version of the K98. You'll notice there it's got a little eagle firing proof, and if we flip it up here, you'll see it was made at the Danzig Arsenal in 1912. That 1920 mark there, that was placed there when this rifle went into police issue. Basically all that 1920 stamp means is after World War I, the German government trying to make sure that all the troops that took home rifles, that they brought it back, they would stamp that 1920 on there to show that this rifle was turned back in. Once again, you know, you'll see the bluing on here is really nice. When this rifle was turned back in and converted for police use, they re-blued everything, redid kind of the serial numbers. So you'll see there, that's an actual restamping from the 1920 re-arsenal. You'll notice the bolt is not like a normal K98 bolt because it's not a full ball there, and it's got kind of a little checkering right under there. You'll see here this is a walnut stock, and I like it a lot because it's got this cool like tiger striping here. It's got an original sling on here, and then just some of the proofs on the stock and real interesting wood grain and stuff there, more of the tiger striping. What's also cool is this one is marked to a unit right there, and then it's also got another unit marking right here on the takedown disc, which is really unique and, from what I understand, kind of rare. It's got another 1920 mark there, and once again, cool tiger striping there in the walnut wood. Take it over here. You'll see that, you know, unlike the K98k, this one's got wood that covers this area, and it runs all the way to the front of the rifle. And it's got this stacking hook. The band is different. It's actually held with a screw right here, and it comes apart. And you'll notice the sight is a little bit different. See, it's got those kind of like protectors on the side and stuff. So this is another rifle that I like a lot, just because it's kind of the grandpa to the K98, the precursor to it. Once again, I just think this is a really nice looking rifle too. So that's the K98a.